Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF is the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
The future's in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
The new Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Cáceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Cáceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.
May problema ka ba sa iyong paningin? May sagot tayo dyan. Naga Optical Clinic with modern apparatus, computerized eye refraction, wide variety of latest fashionable frames, special and custom lenses, contact lenses at mga sunglasses sa abot kayang halaga. Naga Optical Clinic, complete optical laboratory, eyeglasses made while you wait. Naga Optical Clinic.
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Good morning, Bicolandia, at sa lahat ng mga volleyball fans na nakatutok sa atin live na live dito sa ating Season 1 ng Oragon Volleyball League. Makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Aljon Pogoy to give you all an update sa nangyayari dito sa loob ng basketball, ng volleyball. And of course, maghaharap ngayon dito ang NCF Tigers versus the Suyan Bao team. Itong dalawang koponan na ito, Aljon, is parehong natalo on their previous match. So I'm sure they are excited, they are thrilled to be back on court at mag-revenge or get their redemption dito sa araw na ito.
Well, speaking of redemption, I think, Rick, the pressure is now, spiking since the elimination round has been really difficult for both of these teams. Suyan Bao coming from a loss. Also, NCF Tigers coming from a loss as well. But, they are seeking revenge here. They are seeking a comfortable position moving on the second round.
Yes, talagang makikita natin dito as the league progresses. Talagang dito natin nakikita yung work under pressure, play under pressure on these both teams. Because again, malapit na po tayo sa ating semifinal. So, the top 4 teams will be heading on our semifinal. So, these both teams or all the teams need to have this comfortable position nga na nasabi mo on our standing, because again, when it comes to our semifinals, 4 teams na lamang ang maghaharap-harap. So this is very exciting, and at the same time, nakakasad din because this is our first season. Maraming bagong teams, and of course, nagpapakilala yung iba't ibang teams. And even the players na talaga namang nag-shine all throughout this league. So talaga aabangan natin ang sunod-sunod pang matches dito sa OVL.
And Rick, we want also to invite our viewers and supporters of these both teams to support them. You can watch us live on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV on Facebook page. We also have YouTube channel. And if you want to feel the energy, the electrifying energy, you can drop here or visit here at the NCF covered court.
Yes, talagang more actions ang ipinapakita dito sa ating liga. So, the Suyan Bao team and the NCF Tigers are now preparing. And on your screen, talagang itong dalawang kupunan nagwa-warm up na to start this with a great volleyball game and volleyball action. So when we talk about the standing, the NCF is on our second spot. They have the 3-1 standing, and on the other side of things, the Suyan Baao, they have 2 wins and 2 losses. So this is not yet over for these both teams na magkaroon ng chance to proceed on our semifinals. So they need to make the most out of their game and their schedules because again, palapit na po tayo sa ating end. So let's see and let's wait kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo between these two great teams maya-maya.
Yes, Rick. But I want to give my input here because I am very excited for this both teams because NCF Tigers has been better in terms of volleyball.
Yes.
They've won a lot of championship, but at the same time they are facing a new team that they have never been encountered, I think, before. Although I believe na meron silang mga nakakalaro na dito outside, right, ng competition. And titingnan natin dito kung paano ang Suyan Baao magpe-perform. Besides that, knowing NCF has been, established in volleyball.
So yan, nabanggit mo nga dito na very established na national game na ito, national match na nasalihan itong NCF Tigers. And on the other side of court, this Suyan Baao, nakikita natin dito yung mga batang talagang they are eager and they are here not just to impress but of course to play their hearts out because again, this is their passion. And itong Suyan Baao, maganda yung standing nila, 2 wins and 2 losses.
Wow.
So much potential for this team and a lot of expectations din na nakikita natin on their side because again, they are newbies here. Makakatapat nila dito yung mga veterans. So aabangan natin kung anong ipaperform dito ng Suyan Baao. They need to make their 100% dito sa ating laro. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang ating bakbakan between the NCF Tigers and Suyan Baao.
48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon. The future is a race. At Naga College Foundation, we don't just keep up. We set the pace and we change the game. College of Business and Management, where ideas grow into enterprises. College of Teacher Education, shaping minds that shape the nation. College of Health Sciences, where compassion meets innovation. College of Engineering, designing solutions that redefine tomorrow. College of Arts and Sciences, fueling creativity, culture, and connection. College of Accountancy and Finance, empowering Powering the economy through mastering numbers and market. College of Criminal Justice Education. Protecting communities with excellence and integrity. College of Computer Studies. Coding the language of the future. And with NCF micro-credential programs, you don't just wait for the future. You leap into it. Gain and demand skills fast, short, powerful, and flexible. Designed to fit your life and fuel your career. 8 colleges, endless possibilities, and micro-credentials to keep you ahead of the game. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF is the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
The future is in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here.
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Cáceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Cáceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.
May problema ka ba sa iyong paningin? May sagot tayo dyan. Naga Optical Clinic with modern apparatus, computerized eye refraction, wide variety of latest fashionable frames, special and custom lenses, contact lenses, at mga sunglasses sa abot kayang halaga. Naga Optical Clinic, complete optical laboratory, eyeglasses made while you wait. Naga Optical Clinic.
The future is a race. At Naga College Foundation, we don't just keep up, we set the pace and we change the game. College of Business and Management, where ideas grow into enterprises. College of Teacher Education, shaping minds that shape the nation. College of Health Sciences, where compassion meets innovation. College of Engineering, designing solutions that redefine tomorrow. College of Arts and Sciences, fueling creativity, culture, and connection. College of Accountancy and Finance, empowering the economy through mastering numbers and market. College of Criminal Justice Education, protecting communities with excellence and integrity. College of Computer Studies, coding the language of the future. And with NCF micro-credential programs, you don't just wait for the future, you leap into it. Gain and demand skills fast, short, powerful, and flexible. Designed to fit your life and fuel your career. 8 colleges, endless possibilities, and micro-credentials to keep you ahead of the game. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF was the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
The future is in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here.
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
The new Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Cáceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Cáceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.
May problema ka ba sa iyong paningin? May sagot tayo dyan. Naga Optical Clinic with modern apparatus, computerized eye refraction, wide variety of latest fashionable frames, special and custom lenses, contact lenses at mga sunglasses sa abot kayang halaga. Naga Optical Clinic, complete optical laboratory, eyeglasses made while you wait. Naga Optical Clinic.
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PNC Health Defenders, Suyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Season 1 ng Oragon Volleyball League. So again, the matchup between NCF Tigers versus the Suyan Baao. So on your screen, ang dalawang kupunang maghaharap para dito sa ating match na ito. So again, nakalay po tayo sa ating media partner. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Oragon Basketball League. And also, nakalay po tayo sa ating YouTube channel, the One Media TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. So talagang makikita natin ang bakbakan dito sa ating Oragon Volleyball League Season 1 kahit nasa bahay ka lang.
That's
so,
true, Rick.
If you are team bahay, yung mga sinabi ko pong mga pages, dun po tayo naka-live. And of course, kung meron po kayong time to visit our venue, nasa Naga College Foundation Covered Court po ang venue nitong larong ito.
So, right, Rick, I have a lot of expectation for these teams and, may mga players din akong ina-eye sa match-up na ito. Sa side ng Suyan Baao, I'm eyeing for, Micalier.
Yes.
Right. Which I think
player.
Probably everyone know that Micalier came from UNC.
Yes.
And on the side naman ng NCF Tigers, madami actually. But I'm looking for the leadership of Barredo since he has been a veteran in terms of his position, middle attack. And what I like about him is that napaka-unpredictable na mga atake niya. The tempo, ang daling, hindi rin niya umadjust in terms of tempo at talaga namang baon kung baon.
Yes, talagang itong nabanggit mong player is yung mga palaging pinupunta ng kanilang setter because again, whenever the setter set up, talagang patay ang bola yun sa dalawang player na nabanggit mo. And let's talk about Micalier on the side of Suyan Baao. Nakita natin kung paano maglaro from the very start of this league up until now na talaga namang siya yung nagbubuhat, yung nagdadala sa kanilang team off-court and inside the court. Talagang yung presence nitong si Micalier, very efficient when it comes to Suyan Baao. So I'm looking forward for some great play again para dito kay Micalier. And on the other side of things, you have mentioned Barredo, their middle blocker na talaga namang effective and efficient player on their side. And to know more about the NCF Tiger, let's call our courtside reporter, Famke. Hi Famke, anong balita dyan?
Ating masusubaybayan ngayong hapon. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. Para sa first match, magpapasiglaban ng galing ang NCF Tigers versus Suyan Baao. At ako ang maghahatid sa inyo ng maiinit na updates on the side of NCF Tigers. Today, the court is set for an epic battle. Ang dalawang koponan ay handa ng magpakitang gilas at maiuwi ang pagkapanalo. But NCF is more ready to unleash their Tiger spirit and prove that they are the true champions. So get ready to hear the loudest roar of NCF Tigers. For more updates, stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Fab. I barely hear you because of the preparation and the cheer of their drums, but NCF, they are prepared.
Yes.
That's what I can say about this team. Talaga namang every competition, every game, pinaghahandaan nila. And also, I wanna zoom in on how their coaching staff really pushes them to their limits because hindi mahirap ang kanilang last game, which they lost. And right now, makikita mo talaga sa NCF that they're very energetic. They are translating their energy here this afternoon.
Yes, talagang kitang-kita at ramdam na ramdam natin dito yung energy and the intensity on the side of NCF Tigers, knowing na they come from a loss. So this time, let's see, will it be a bounce back para sa kanilang kupunan? Magkakaroon ba sila ng isang panalo dito sa ating game na ito? Yan ang tututukan natin all throughout this game. So nabanggat mo dito, Aljon, the coaching staff on the side of NCF Tigers. So last time I have a talk to their team coach, which is Coach Bon, na talaga namang napakaganda or insightful nung sinabi niya na although nanggaling dito sa talo ang kanilang kupunan, but again, the Tiger spirit is there. Hindi mo mapipigilan yung kagustuhan nitong mga players na ito na maglaro and at the same time to bounce back from that loss. Because again, in every loss, you have the learnings, you have the adjustment on your side. So let's see kung maganda ba ang naging adjustment on the side of their team. Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa araw na ito.
Well, that's right, Rick. No? Makikita talaga natin how their coaching staff will make an impact in terms of their performance. And harapin nga nila tong Gigilded na Makabawe and also yun ba, I am looking forward also on how their coaching staff will make things work on their side since they also came from a loss. So we are expecting for this team to really showcase their best because NCF is no joke in terms of volleyball, but we are also looking forward to this Suyan Baao team to give us a good fight.
Yes, talagang good fight, I'm sure. And I know all of the fans and the viewers talagang excited na makita ang bakbakan between these two great teams. And let's see kung aabot ba tayo ng 5th set, kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng extended set, because on our previous matches, talagang pinapakita ng every team na every weekends na maglalaro sila, nagsa-step up dito ang kanilang team. So to hear more about the side of Suyan Baao, let's call our courtside reporter, Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong balita on your side?
Just Mabalos, Rick and Aljon, and happy Saturday po sa lahat na nakastutok sa atin ngayon dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Another week and I'm sure another powerful and exciting matchups na naman ang matutunghayan natin ngayong araw sa pagbubukas ng araw ito. And this time po, I'm here once again at the side of Suyan Baao reporting exclusively. I had a quick chat with Suyan Bao's coach and team captain earlier, and according to them, last week's game against Sorsogon was devastating and created a big impact to their standing. However, that defeat will be their motivation for today's game. According to James Dorain, they planned some adjustments for this week, knowing that they will go against home court team. Watch out for another exciting gameplay, and let's cheer for Suyan Baao with pride and fire. This is Eliza reporting. Back to you, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Really a pride and fire ang masasaksihan natin dito for Suyan Baao. Well, Dorain is also a good player, a very good player for Suyan Baao, and his leadership really showcases his skills and talent. So, a lot, I think, of expectation is on his shoulders since siya talaga yung mag-lead sa team kung paano sila magpa-perform inside the court.
Yes, talagang nabanggit dito na they have adjusted because of that loss. And tama nga yun, nagulo nga yung ating standing after that loss on the side of Suyan Baao. So talagang exciting ang magaganap dito sa natitirang mga matches sa ating Season 1 ng OVL. So I'm sure itong Suyan Baao nag-review, tinignan yung mga plays on the side of NCF because NCF is known for different plays. So I know they have adjusted para dito sa araw na ito, and nabanggit nga na their team captain Dorain is pushing the team na talaga namang they need to play with their full potential on this match against the NCF because this is not an easy game for these both teams. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran at kanino mapupunta ang isang panalo para dito sa ating laro So, we will be right back after the short break at sisimulan na natin ang ating set number 1 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bigit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bibig.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada Eye Care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need center. World-class eye care just around the corner. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bigit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bibig.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NC
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga. Good volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And we're back here live at the NCF covered court. Naga College Foundation Tigers will now head-to-head and planning to take a revenge against Suyan Baao. Now, they are coming from a loss, as we've mentioned, and gutom ang dalawang team na ito to take their win against each other. But, you know, this is a competition. Only one team will take home the win.
Yes. And yun nga on your screen, ang dalawang kupunan. And magsisimula ng ating set number 1 who will get the first point para dito sa dalawang kupunan.
And Ciso is now preparing for his serve.
So I believe, Aljon, this is the second 6 on the side of NCF Tigers. Doroin receives that one. Micalier, unsuccessful in that attempt. Boy pa rin ang bola. In the middle. And an error para dito kay Mendoza. So first point will go on the side of NCF.
Now an early free point for Suyan Baao. Now their chance, but another back-to-back error for them. Ngayon naman, next reception error.
So great start, Aljon, para dito sa NCF Tigers. Let's see kung patuloy bang aarangkad ang kanilang kupunan, or will the Suyan Baao stop this momentum, early momentum on the side of NCF.
Over-receive. Now again, Tigers really breaking down the two blockers. And na-mention mo nga kanina, Rick, these boys are their second stringers.
Yes.
And the confidence on that attack really showcases that it's really not all about, you know, the maturity, it's all about the skills.
If you're given a chance to play, talagang ipapakita mo dito yung 100% mo para sa inyong kupunan.
And speaking of 100%, Micalier winning that joust at the net.
So again, we've talked about Micalier earlier, na talaga namang siya ang aabangan dito on the side of Suyan Baao to perform well. And speaking of performing well, Suyan Baao, back-to-back points on them. Mendoza getting an ace. But this time, babawiin nyo ng service error. So, free point will be given para dito sa NCF Tigers. Now, Rosales to serve.
Over-receive again, reception, but still a point. Now, we've seen a few over-receive coming from Suyan Baao, and, you know, successfully they were able to translate that into a point. But I think they have to do something about it, because makikita natin talagang heavy serves ang pinapakawalan ng Tigers. Combination play. A great hustle there. Now again, I think that was a misset on the opposite side.
But an attack error, Aljon.
Yes, Rick.
So again, errors are piling up sa pagsimula pa lamang ng ating first set. So again, they need to lessen their errors. Rosales receives that one, and Ciso, combination play, and jersey number 5, Blanca, successful on that attack.
Early combination play there for the Tigers. I would say that that is their specialty.
Yes. Those combination plays, talagang hindi nababantayan dito.
Again, for reception, but Turin had to adjust. On the opposite, face-to-face with Doroin, but still able to punch it through.
Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Malate. Wow.
Ang ganda ng pagka-angle niya doon.
The wrist action is there para kay Malate. And this time, nabanggit mo nga dito, yung poor reception on the side of Suyan Bao. And the NCF Tigers are really enjoying it because again, whenever nagkakaroon ng regalo, talagang puntos on their side. So again, Suyan Bao needs to work out their first ball here for them to be able to create a play. But unfortunately, back-to-back, poor reception but a great pancake. Doroon will try, and this time, hitting that down the line and getting a point on their side.
Well, ang ganda ng lihis doon. Need Doroon looking at that one replay. Only one blocker. Nami Callier. Serve. Great reception there for Tigers. Combination play with a little help with the net.
So again, combination plays. Nakikita na natin dito at nararamdaman na para sa NCF Tigers. Malate to serve. Benosa back set to Doroin, and Doroin, 1 point again for him. Doing that cross-court hit. So again, sabi nga dito ni Eliza, their courtside reporter, na itong si Doroin talagang nagkaroon sila ng adjustment. So kitang-kita dito yung eagerness ni Doroin to get a point. But this time, a side out on the side of NCF with that running attack. Look at that. Nakikita natin dito the variety of setting.
Even the blocker wasn't able to get that ball. Doroin. I think that was a miscue, a good intention for them. I think they're trying to mislead the blockers, but I think painful miscommunication.
Yes. You know, sometimes those miscommunications talagang heartbreaking on your end because again, sayang na sayang at nagbibigay ka ng free point on your opponent. And this time, another heavy serve and ace on the side of NCF.
And an early timeout for Suyan Bao. Rick, you know, we want to talk about how both teams start of this set, really they're climbing into getting a point, but first few points pa lang, really NCF Tigers showing us their specialty.
Yes, kitang-kita nga natin dito na they are known for that variety of setups like combination play. Talagang doon nila nakukuha yung mga sunod-sunod na points because hindi dito nababantayan ng defense on the side of Suyan Bao. So, I'm looking forward for some incredible combinations on the side of NCF Tigers para dito sa araw na ito.
Another powerful serve. Again and again, reception error there. And they're now targeting Doroin because they know that Doroin has a high probability to get a point.
Yes. So good target on the side of NCF. Let's see kung Doroin pa ba dito. Better first ball this time.
Kadag. Micalier to the setter. Doroin pushing it through with that blocker. And a good decision.
Yes. Smart move coming from Doroin.
At
so
makikita mo talaga doon na bantay sarado talaga si Doroin.
And yun nga, nakita natin dito yung high chance to get a point sa side ni Doroin. But this time, nakakuha din ng puntos and off the block hit on the side of Tigers. So palitan ng puntos, but again, Suyan Bao needs to double their effort if they want to cut the lead na hawak ngayon ng NCF.
And a good point for that. I think that was a misset.
Yes.
And fortunately, hindi back row position yung setter doon because if yes, the point will go to the Tigers. Overreaching violation.
So an error again on the side of Baao. Chance for the Tigers to continuously strengthen the gap para dito sa ating set number 1. Benosa in his middle, and this time Mendoza with a powerful hit.
Well, that was a good reception coming from Doroin. Really, if you have a good pass, you will get, a point. Kasi may pumapalo sa Suyan Bao. They have a complete attackers here, but their problem is their reception.
They are having difficulty to get a first ball or perfect first ball. They need to strengthen their reception here for them to create beautiful plays and convert a point on their side. Now Rosales serving that one too strong, and the point will be given on the side of Baao. 15-9 is our score, or rather 15-10, a 5-point lead on the side of Tigers. Now Benosa to serve.
And a lucky point there.
Another combination play, Aljon.
Tatlo yung tumalon rate. Talaga
Yes.
namang maganda yung pagka-fake na yon. Again, for reception.
$16-10 is our score. And now Pardinas to serve. Straight to the net. So, a gift on their opponent. 1 point was added sa Suyan Bao. Micalier on the deck to serve. And Ciso to his middle. Jersey number 12. Bernardeno getting a point coming from that quick hit. Malate serving that one. Micalier with that first ball. Benosa ginawa ng paraan dito. Chance ball on the side of Tigers. But the point is awarded on the side of Suyan Bao. And Ciso, and a soft touch coming from Blanca, finding that donut hole on the side of Suyan Bao, so the point is awarded on the side of their team.
No one was expecting for that adjustment trick.
Yes.
Another powerful serve. Doroin receive and attack that ball, but sails outside. Another timeout for Suyan Bao. Rick, I want to know your thoughts on what is happening on the side of Suyan Bao at this moment.
You know what, Suyan Bao, we know kung paano sila maglaro, but this time medyo off yung connection nila inside the court. Even the libero, Rojales, nahihirapan dito to get the first ball and deliver it to their setter. That's why kaunti lamang yung nagagawa dito ng setter or the plays on their side. So they need to adjust when it comes to their first ball, and at the same time their connection inside the court, because we know na hindi ito yung laro on the side of Suyan Bao. So let's see after the timeout kung magkakaroon ng magandang adjustment on their side. And a great timeout.
A great strategy, Rick.
Yes.
For Suyan Bao.
Alam mo, Aljan, minsan yung mga timeout dito ng coaches is to cut the momentum ng kanilang opponents. But again, NCF still looking good after that hit coming from their middle blocker, and 21-13 is our score. 4 more points to snatch this set number 1 against the Suyan Baao. Benosa combination play, Kadag unsuccessful. Rosales will try, and Rosales will score.
Na 3 points away for the Tigers.
To seal this first set again. Let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng magandang momentum, shift of momentum on the side of Suyan Baao. Let's see after this set number 1, because again, Tigers is 3 points away on getting this one.
At the pipe, straight to the net. Good back-to-back points. A momentum starter for Suyan Baao.
They really need to build momentum at this moment. They need to mag-ingay. Kailangan mag-ingay dito sa loob ng court on the side of Suyan Baao, because medyo tahimik nga ang kanilang kupunan. And even Micalier, usually sa ganitong mga laro, Micalier, nagkakaroon na siya dito ng a lot of point conversion, but at this time medyo tahimik dito ang kanilang kupunan. But again, nabanggit mo dito yung momentum na ginagawa on the side of Suyan Baao. This time 3 puntos ang kanilang nagawa. So
make it 4.
Yes. So ito na ata yung hinihintay nating momentum on the side of Suyan Baao. Slowly but surely getting a point para sa kanilang kupunan. And this is not yet over, Aljon, on their side. Look at that. 5-0 run on the side of Suyan Baao. Kadag on deck to serve.
Great float serve, make it 6-0 run for Suyan Baao. That pushes the Tigers for a timeout. This is what we expect for Suyan Baao. Na umarangkada sila because they really can. I believe, Rick, and you know that, nakita natin yung previous game nila, kaya nila.
Yes. Yun nga kanina, medyo nakukulangan niya ako sa pinapakitang performance on the side of their team. But this time, on the latter part of our set number 1, umaarangkada na ang kanilang kupunan. So this is a good thing on the side of Suyan Baao for them to be able to boost their confidence, their morale, and makuha ang set na ito. Because again, with that 6-0 run, talagang a boost to their confidence.
No chance again for Suyan Baao. Good first ball, 1-2 play. Great dug up by Doroin. Micalier had to adjust. I think the swerte is on their side. 7-0 run for Suyan Baao.
And look at our score, 22-20, just a 2 points to catch the lead on the side of NCF.
Another great serve, Rick. Now chance for their middle. Dug up by the NCF. Overset pressure situation here for the Tigers.
8-0 run already on the side of Suyan Baao. Wow. Talagang nagising. Narinig ata tayo, Aljon, on the side of Suyan Baao.
I hope so too, Rick. Not a good set here. Doroin. Now Micalier. Free ball. Combination play. And I think 4 touches, yes.
And look at that. We are all tied up at 22. Wow, what a great chase on the side of Suyan Baao. And pwede po nilang mabaliktad itong ating set number 1.
And Rick, wow, 9-0 run. Suyan Baao giving us an entertainment here on our first game against NCF Tigers.
Wow, just wow. Look at that, Suyan Baa with a point lead. But this time, Rosales caught that momentum. A much-needed side out para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Wow! Unbelievable.
Yes, Rick, but the counter will go to Suyan Baa. Are they going to kill the ball and get the point?
Yes. Let's see.
Outside, Rick. Now, set point for Suyan Baa.
Grabe. Suyan Baa impressing us para dito sa ating pagsisimula ng Saturday match.
Rick! Wow! Suyan Baa, a Cinderella run for first set, 25-23. A pure entertainment, Rick. And when we come back, we will watch a lot of volleyballs only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baa Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bitbit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bitbit.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Channel 48.1, and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League.
And we are back here sa bakbakan ng Suyan Baa versus NCF Tigers. So, what a great set number 1 on the side of Suyan Baa. Wow! Talagang nabaliktad pa nga yung sitwasyon ng kanilang kupunan. And they snatched that first set against the NCF Tigers. So let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa ating second set, because again, yung nakita natin sa ating set number 1 is very unpredictable. That's
True.
why this game is very unpredictable na dapat talagang tutukan natin para dito sa araw na ito.
Rick, that was the epitome of bilog ang bola.
Yes.
Right, and now Suyan Bao and NCF Tigers will have to do their best to get the second set. Now, to get more updates from the side of Suyan Bao, let's head to our courtside reporter later on. So, Rick, we will now see a back-to-back points for the NCF Tigers. Again, a shaky start for Suyan Bao, but what we've showcased on the first set is a very good performance.
Yes, talagang kinapitan. Yun nga yung sabi ko, that set is not yet over on their side. Kahit talagang labang dito yung NCF. Let's see dito sa pangalawang set. Doroin will try. Andun si Estrella. Nero setting up Almero. And it was outside. So point on the side of NCF. 3-0 is our score. Great start again para dito sa Tigers. But unfortunately, service error para kay Estrella. And balikan na natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Suyan Bao. Eliza, anong update natin dyan?
For the first set of the day, Rick and Aljan, after the last minute of the game, gigil ang Suyan Bao na makuha ang panalo. Kung mapapansin nyo po, the first minutes of the game, medyo lumayo ang puntos. But when their head coach arrived, gumanda ang performance ng team. Nagkaroon lang dito ng konting pep talk with their head coach. Sigaw dito sa gilid, kalma lang, give some energy and smile while playing. Last minute was a critical minute for them, and yes, nakuha nga nila ang panalo sa set na ito. Magtutuloy-tuloy na kaya ito? Yan ang ating tutukan. For now, back to you, Rick and Aljan.
Thanks, Eliza. So, kalma lang, as mentioned of their coaches, because they can, right? They can actually win against their opponent, but right now, mahirap na kalaban ng NCF Tiger at kailangan nila itong tiyagain.
And pinasok na nga dito sa ating second set ang first stringer on the side of their team. So, let's see kung magkakaroon na ba dito ng panalo ang kanilang kupunan. And ball is still alive though. Doroin. Too much angle on that attack. So, point on the side of NCF. 5-2 is our score. Now, to hear an update naman sa kabilang side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Famke. Hi Famke, kumusta ang Tigers?
Isang naglalagablab na laban ang ating natunghayan para sa first set. Matatandaan na nabigo ang NCF Tigers sa laban last Saturday. Kaya naman bilang preparasyon, pinag-aralan nilang maigi ang kanilang makakasagupa. Coach Bon reminded the players to adjust and focus on defense and maintain communication inside the court. But they're having a hard time dahil lumalaban at tinatapatan talaga sila ng Suyan Bao. Dahil dito, bigong mapa sa kamay ng NCF Tigers ang panalo. Abangan kung makakabawi ba ang NCF Tigers sa mga susunod na set. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Fam. Now, ahead dito ng 3 points ang NCF Tigers, and they're hoping na masusunod-sunod nila ito because the first stringers are now in this set number 2.
So let's see. As Benosa served that one.
Over-receive.
Pero with that coverage, boy pa rin ang bola. Kadag will do the setting. And look at that. Micalier flying and scoring on the side of their team.
I love that attack, Rick, because she was underneath that ball galing sa likod, but she was able to make a point.
Again, very effective player. Itong si Micalier on the side of Suyan Bao. One hand set, and this time Malate with that cross-court hit. Powerful cross-court hit. Wow. Ito na ata yung hinihintay natin, Aljon, na palitan ng malalakas na palo between these two great teams. Otero to serve. Kadag receives that one. Micalier will try, but hitting
the antenna.
Yes, hitting the antenna. Good intention sana on the side of Suyan Bao. Itong si Micalier finding that opening on that zone number 4 on the side of NCF. But again, na hit nito yung antena.
Again, a point for NCF Tiger. That wasn't a good set. But nagawan pa rin ng paraan doon.
Otero, again on the deck to serve. Good serve. Doroin will try and score para dito sa Suyan Baaw. So may katulong na dito si Doroin.
May halong giggle
yes,
actual ang palo na yon.
Look at that. Doroin and Micalier, this duo on the side of Baaw, is making an impact on their team. Great coverage. Kadag will try. Andon si Estrella. Nero setting up Pamplona. And it landed on that line. So the point goes on the side of Suyan Baaw. 9-6 is our score. Micalier to serve.
Heavy float serve. Combination play. Wow, that was a powerful attack. Breaking down those two blockers.
Medyo nag-adjust pa nga dito itong si Barredo on that set. But again, powerful quick hit coming from him. Benosa, back set to Doroin. But straight to the net attack. So back-to-back points para sa NCF. Malate to serve. And service ace for him. A timeout was called on the side of Suyan Baaw because again, medyo lumalayo na naman dito itong NCF.
Now Rick, we've seen the previous situation here on the first set, right?
Yes.
Baon ang Suyan Baaw and the Tigers up, but this is a different situation because the starters of NCF Tigers are their first stringers.
Yes, so kind of different on that first set. But let's see, because sabi nga dito ng coaching staff on the side of Suyan Baaw is kalma lang. They need to work under pressure because pwede ulit mangyari yung nangyari on that set number 1 na talagang on the latter part of our set, doon nagkaroon ng sunod-sunod na puntos and ng run itong ating Suyan Baaw and snatched it against the NCF. So let's see para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Benosa setting up Kadag and Kadag breaks down the wall. So a great timeout para sa kanilang kupunan.
Well, now Kadag had a powerful attack. On the first set, medyo di maingay doon si Kadag. But right now, we are seeing more balls for him. 1-2 play is good for Estrella.
So, isa ito si Estrella sa mga scoring setter dito sa ating liga. His service aces and of course that 1-2 play, very effective setter. But napawian din dito nitong Suyan Baaw. Wow. Both teams are showing great inside the court. Doroin serving that one. Estrella to Barredo. And Barredo getting a point on that last sequence. Look at that replay. Estrella back set to Barredo and getting a point. Now Barredo serving. And back-to-back points for him. So you've mentioned earlier itong si Barredo na isa sa magiging key player on the side of NCF this game. So yun nga, nakikita na natin dito yung kanyang contribution on the side of Tigers.
Well, Barredo talagang, I think sukat na sukat niya ang court because very strategic ang kanyang serve. Talagang pinupunta niya doon sa walang tao. But now, an error committed.
Net violation para dito kay Estrella. Kadag serving. Wow. Almero with that powerful hit.
Na Palmero showing no mercy on that attack. Even though nandun na yung libero, still wasn't able to get that ball.
And another point para sa NCF. 17-9 is our score. Australia on deck to serve. But an error for him. So free point will be given on the side of Suyan Baao. Mendoza to serve para sa kanilang kupunan. Better serve. But Malate successful in that cross-court hit. Napakanipis ng palo.
8-point lead here for NCF Tigers.
Almero to serve. Wow. Good target, but the ball is still alive. Malate again. Catches the line para sa kanilang kupunan and better lead para sa kanilang kupunan dito. Pero let's see, because kanina ganito rin yung nangyari on our first set.
Another great serve coming from Almero. And another timeout for Suyan Baao. 5 points away for NCF Tiger and clinching the second set.
Let's see after this timeout kung anong gagawin ng Suyan Baao, because they are down here by 10 points and the NCF or their opponent is 5 points away on tying the set. Again, we are live sa ating media partner, the GNTV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Oragon Basketball League. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Kamsur Eye Center, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Digital Graphics, Tigers Cafe, Lemon Residences, PLP Printing Services, PLDT, Hardshed. Thank you so much po sa inyong suporta. Again, Almero with that service ace a while ago. Better serve again. Binosa to Micalier. And outside. Itong ginawa ni Micalier. So NCF looking good para sa ating pangalawang set. Great serve.
Again, a good point here for NCF Tigers. 3 points away. Rather, 2 points away.
And kanina pa si Almero sa service line, pero na-jinx ata dito yung kanyang serve. And a much needed side out for the Suyan Baao team. Binosa to serve. Andon si Nero for that first ball and miscommunication between Estrella and Otero. So puntos on the side of Suyan.
A rare miscue there on the side of the Tigers. Oh, good serve. And a clear point for NCF.
And they are now on set point, Aljon.
Yes, Rick. 1 point away in securing the second set.
Otero send it to the net. So 1 set point save para dito sa Suyan Baaw. 24-13 is our score. Micalier to serve. But this time, service error for him. So the second set goes on the side of NCF Tigers. We are tied 1 set apiece. We will be right back after the short commercial break for our set number 3, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCD Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baaw Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bigit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bibig.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry-ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF was the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And we're back here live at the NCF covered court. A good, very good second set for the NCF Tigers. Now we are now tied 1 set apiece, Rick.
A very strong set number 2 para sa NCF. So let's see kung magpapatulang kanilang momentum or will the Suyan Baaw bounce back from that loss sa set number 2. But Almero, again, getting a point para sa kanilang koponan. A great distribution of ball on the side of NCF, but this time Estrella again with that service error. So 1-all dito sa ating pangatlong set. Mendoza on deck to serve.
An error there for Suyan Baao.
Back-to-back service error for these both teams. Almero to serve.
Over-receive chance for the Tigers. Running attack is denied by Micalier.
Wow, Micalier. Basang-basa yung ginawang play na yon. And blocking Pamplona on that last sequence.
Great serve there from Suyan Baao.
Is our score. Isang puntos ang kalamang hawak on the side of Suyan Baao. Estrella, back set to Malate, and outside yung attacking yon. So back-to-back points for Baao. Too much wrist action para kay Malate. And to hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Famke. Hi Famke, kumusta? Anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Isang makatindig balahibong gameplay na naman ang natunghayan natin para sa second set ng laban ng NCF Tigers and Suyan Baao. Talagang walang minuto o segundong sinasayang dahil ibinibigay ng dalawang koponan ang kanilang 100% best. Nakita natin sa umpisa ng laban na naghabulan pa rin ng puntos ang dalawang team at unpredictable kung sino ang makaka-first 25. Pero bumawi ang NCF Tigers at sa pagkakataong ito, ang panalo ay napasa kamay na nila. Patuloy na subaybayan ang susunod na mananalo para sa third set. Stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Fam. You know, really a great second set for the NCF Tigers. Talaga namang the redemption is clear on their side. But at the moment, Suyan Baao is up 2 points. And to all live viewers, support your teams, or if you have an idols, comment on our live streams para ma-shout out namin kayo. And also if you have free time, you can watch here live at the NCF covered court and enjoy the fun, join the excitement here. We also want to thank our sponsor. Thank you so much for your gracious support on OVL. We really appreciate you guys. And that last sequence, the point will go to the Tigers. And to hear
So, kitang-kita on that instant replay outside and unsuccessful challenge on the side of Suyan Baao. And babalikan na nga natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza for some updates on the side of Suyan Baao. Now, Eliza, go ahead.
It was a game full of power and determination. Medyo nagiging mabilis ang takbo ng laban ngayon at medyo malayo nga ang naging puntos ng Suyan Baao kontra NCF Tiger. But still, the Suyan Baao is aiming to give the viewers a good fight. What I like about this team and also what I like about the team captain is that they always make sure that the players are enjoying the game. Lagi talagang sinasabi ng team captain to smile, enjoy, kalma, at huwag paggigilan ng bola. There's still a side of pressure at this side of the moment, but pure power and determination na nakikita natin dito. It's just about willingness to give the viewers a good fight. Yan muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you, Eliza. You know, what a great wisdom coming from their team captain. Just, you know, be positive, smile, and enjoy the game because it translates to really a good fight and really ano lang talaga, Rick, enjoy lang talaga sa laro because wala naman talaga ditong talo because you know, you'll gain experience although kayo ang mag-a-advance sa second round, but you have to treasure the experience here. And that Suyan Bao showcasing us what it's like to enjoy and to spread positivity on the court.
You know what, this is very important sa lahat ng players. Talagang kahit na mayroon tayong competition na nagaganap, but they still manage to smile and enjoy the moment because again, they are not here just to play and to impress, but also to pour their hearts out because this is their passion. So talagang napakaganda na ipinapakitang performance ng mga athlete dito sa ating liga because again, ito yung gusto nilang gawin. So kitang-kita naman, it translate on their galaw inside the court. So I'm so proud of these players because of their heart on this game. So yun ang aabangan natin sa iba't ibang games pa dito, yung enjoyment inside the court.
Now Rick, time out again here and dalamangan na nga ng NCF Tigers. Reverse situation here. Kanina lamang ng tatlo ang Suyan Bao and now the Tigers. We can really see how momentum shifted on the side of the Tigers. And I think because of really a good performance and talaga namang I can attest na maganda ang ball distribution ng Tigers lahat. From middle, from yung spikers, even the serve. They are converting it into a point here. And Suyan Bao, this is not too late for them, right? They have to talaga namang tiyagaan lang nila. Now again, chance for Suyan Bao. Will they able to get that point, Micalier? Rally is good. Down the line is dug up. Otero giving it to Malate.
Wow, we have a rally here. But unfortunately, Doroin sending it straight to the net. So point will be awarded on the side of NCF.
Rick, it's good that we are seeing long rally here. It means that both teams are really doing their best, climbing really to get a point. Now Doroin using his left hand but no good for him.
Back-to-back error for him. I think nag-adjust siya doon sa set. That's why nagamit niya na yung kanyang left hand. But again, they need to lessen their error because they are the one who are behind dito sa ating set na ito. And look at that Barredo. Bantay sarado ang net. Look at that instant replay. Doroin. No entry para dito sa NCF Tigers. What a great read coming from Barredo. And now Otero on your screen serving. Good serve for him.
Ang lakas ng serve na yon. Now Otero still on the deck to serve.
But this time, too strong. Binawi yung service ace kanina ni Otero. And now chance for the Suyan Bao here to have a point. (12-6) is our score. Estrella to Pamplona. And look at that fast and low set. Yun yung mga gustong set dito ng mga attackers on the side of NCF Tigers. Those fast and low set. And I remember some team international. We have the Japan.
Yes.
Yung mga mabilisang play and mabababang set. Yun yung mga gusto on their Japanese. And nakikita ko dito sa setting nitong sa Estrella. And looking good and effective on the side of their team.
That was a good challenge for Kadag.
You know what, itong si Kadag, isa rin sa mga inaasahan on the side of CN Bao. Whenever nagkakaroon ng magandang set sa kanya, talagang nakakapuntos itong si Kadag. So, we need consistency on the players on the side of CN Bao if they want to win this match against the NCF Tigers.
Ika nga niyan, Rick. Consistency is the key for Kadag. Now, at the pipe, dug up here. Doroin.
Boy pa rin ang bola. Another rally here, Aljon. Nero will do the setting. And a great block coming from Mendoza and Sistrella. Hindi nakagalaw dito. Look at that. Pamplona is heavily guarded here and no one gets that ball. What a great point para sa Bao.
A good serve here. Now Pamplona. Free ball. Combination play here. Doroin. And straight to the net. That sails inside, Rick. A powerful serve there.
And maraming nag-jump serve dito sa
Rick.
NCF Tigers.
At nakakatakot siya,
Yes.
to be honest. Because, Rick, to share an experience. I once been a libero competing in palarong panlalawigan. And I hate that kind of serve because baka matamaan ako sa mukha.
Yes, too strong. The jump serve. Pero mahirap din itong i-practice. Itong jump serve.
Kasi convertible into a point, and I think Barredo accidentally hits the libero. I think, Rick, that was a facial. Let's look at that again.
And Barredo apologizing. But this time, service error for Pamplona. So yun nga yung sinasabi ko dito, Aljon. That jump serve is very effective when it comes to a game. But again, it needs a great timing and practice for you to be able to master it. So, nabanggit nga natin dito na the service is the first offense. So, yung parang pag-jump serve at makakuha ng puntos, very helpful talaga.
Yes, Rick. And a lot of teams in OVL talaga, makikita mo, talagang serve pa lang, puntos na.
Yes. And that's how great Bicolanos
Exactly.
Yes. Showcasing their talent. Kaya nga yung tagline natin is Oragon. Talaga, maurag ka. So, talaga these players is showing prowess when it comes to volleyball. So, kudos for these athletes na naglalaro din sa ating liga.
Now, again, explosive serve here.
Wow. Great hustle sana kay Rosales. Pero hindi na naitawid yung bola on the side of their team. And look at that score, Aljon, 99. Again, this NCF Tigers showing no mercy on their opponent dito sa ating pangatlong set.
And a lucky point here for Suyan Bao. Australia was a little bit confused of what happened.
Yes. And kitang-kita dun sa ating instant replay, Aljon.
But no worries because they are ahead 9 points.
Yes. A comfortable lead. But again, no room for complacency because nakita natin dito kung paano trinabaho yung set number 1 ng Bao. And hindi malabong mangyari ulit ito dito sa ating remaining sets.
And a wasted opportunity. A point I think will go to NCF Tigers. Yes, a net violation.
That's too crucial for Mendoza. Regalo sana yon on the side of their team, but again, nakadikit siya sa net. So, free point will be given on the side of Tigers. Australia to serve.
Again, jump serve. Otero giving us a Mika Reyes attack.
Yes. Very fast. Look at that. hindi pa dito nakaka-recover yung Suyan Bao for that jump serve coming from Estelia. Pero nakakuhaan ng puntos na dito itong si Otero. Again, napakaganda ng pinapakitang fast face play nitong NCF Tigers. So, yun yung medyo nagpapahirap sa depensa on the side of Suyan Bao because nabibigla sila dahil sa bilis na ipinapakita dito ng NCF. So, some replay or highlights para dito sa ating set. Look at that. And a smile on the face of Otero after that point conversion. 21-11 is our score. 4 more points for getting a 1-set advantage against the Suyan Bao team.
Straight to the net for Australia.
So again guys, this is a quadruple header Saturday match. So meron pa po tayong 3 matches maya-maya after this game. So we have the Arriba Iriga versus the Ateneo Volleyball team na dapat natin tutukan maya-maya after this game.
And that last sequence, Karik, service error committed by Suyan Bao. Now Almero. Again, jump serve.
So nakakailang service aces na itong NCF team. Substitution on the side of Suyan Bao. Almero to serve. And rejection at the net para dito kay Otero.
And the blockers were ready.
Yes.
Talaga namang binantay nila kung sino ang aatake.
Nabasa na dito yung play ni Benosa. And service ace again for Almero. And that ends our set number 3. 25-12 is our score. We'll be right back for our 4th set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCD Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Bao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCD Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Bao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming gudit. Kahit anong hamon,
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
And we're back here live at the NCF covered court for our first game. Suyan Baao against NCF Tigers, and second set and third set was able to win for the NCF Tigers, and Suyan Baao still grappling to get a point, and we'll see if they can extend this set into a fifth and decider set. And it's not too late to watch us live. You can tune in our live stream on Facebook, Oragon Sports TV. We also have YouTube channel, and if you wanna come here and experience the heat of the game, join us here live at the NCF covered court. Now NCF Tigers serve that ball. Now we're seeing a long rally here. Palmero.
It's Pamplona on the side.
Pamplona rather.
Yes. Because same approach kasi yung ginagawa dito ng mga players.
I was confused.
Lahat ng players on the side of NCF.
And Rick, I think mix of the first and second stringers dito ang NCF Tigers.
They want to close this match with this set. So let's see kung makukuha na ba nila ang panalo, or will the Suyan Baao extend it into a fifth and deciding set. We have a rally here. Ball is still alive. Mendoza. And now NCF give a free ball on the side of Suyan Baao. And speaking of Suyan Baao, to hear an update sa kanilang kupunan, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Eliza, kumusta? Anong balita?
Hindi naging maganda ang takbo ng laban para sa Suyan Baao sa set na ito. Ilang miscommunications po ang naging rason ng ilang palya ng team. Iniiwasan talaga ng kupunan na lumayo ang mga puntos. Their first set was so different from the two consecutive sets at medyo bumaba nga ang energy ng Suyan Baao. However, like what I've said earlier, all smiles pa rin sila. They have this funny and cute chant earlier. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Let's see if they will still shout hooray for the next set of the game. For now, still back to you, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Eliza. I think yung narinig ko is if you're happy, say hooray. And I think we're having a good moment here. We're seeing happy moments here on the third set. And naghahabol pa rin dito ang Suyan Baao. They are down point here.
Rosales to serve. 5-1 is our score. Great serve. Reboneria. Overset.
Again overset. But a point for Micalier. A great joust at the net.
No room for error on the side of Suyan Baao dito sa ating pang-apat na set. Great serve. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Desinho will try. Andon si Enciso. Pamplona will give up a free ball. And to know more about the NCF, will they end this match against the Suyan Baao? Yan ang katanungan. So Famke, what's your update there?
Laban kung laban, talagang competitive ang team ng NCF Tigers and Suyan Baaw. Kaya naman Coach Bon reminded the players to stay consistent. Mahalaga na panatilihin ang court awareness and use strategies to earn points. Sa puntong ito mga kaibigan, nakuha na naman ng NCF Tigers ang panalo para sa third set. Isa na lamang at sila na ang tatanghaling winner sa first game ngayong hapon. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. Huwag kayong aalis dahil matutunghayan natin ang isa na namang makapigil hiningang laban ng NCF Tigers and Suyan Baaw. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa iyo, Rick and Aljan.
Thank you, fam. Really what I like about Tigers is that the consistency is always there.
Yes.
And also, pag nadadown sila ng set, madali sa kanilang makakomeback because they're experienced enough.
Yes.
And they already know how to do it and when to do it.
Marami na silang games na napagdaanan, and of course on that hard situation, talagang kitang-kita natin dito yung pagiging eksperyensyado nitong team na ito. But back to the volleyball action, NCF Bernardino getting a point with that soft touch. 7-5 is our score. 2-point lead ang hawak ng NCF. Pamplona to serve. Bernardino again setting error for him. Pamplona on deck to serve. And the libero, Rojales, nagdalawang isip na kunin yung bolang yon, but a service ace para kay Pamplona. Breboneria to his middle. Ball is still alive, and Rosales with that pipe attack. Rojales couldn't handle that ball. And a timeout was called on the side of Suyan Baaw.
Well, now Suyan Baaw is struggling to get a good reception here because no doubt the serve of NCF Tigers is always on point, powerful, and I'd say strategic. Kasi alam nila kung saan dadalhin yung bola and alam nila kung sino yung tatargetin.
They have this target every time na magsaserve sila, which is good para sa isang team because talagang pinupunteryan nila dito yung dapat punteryan on the other side of court para hindi magkaroon ng magandang play. (10-5) NCF having a 5-point lead. Micalier gets that, and this time Doroin breaks down the wall. So kailangan pa ng mga 10 or 5 sunod-sunod na puntos na ganoon si Doroin to even this match. Micalier, great dig, ball is still alive, but unfortunately miscommunication on the side of Suyan Baaw.
Again, a great set. I think that's one of the great set I've seen from Suyan Baaw. At nabawi yan. And a good point.
(12-7) is our score. Bernardino on deck to serve. Poor first ball, Micalier chasing that one. Breboneria send it to the other side of court. ball is still alive though. What a hustle on the side of Suyan Baao. But Rosales putting an exclamation point on the side of Suyan Baao. Wow, the power on that attack coming from Rosales.
At ang bilis din
Yes.
ng reflexes din ng Tigers.
Tigers, Bernardino to serve. And look at that. If you have a perfect first ball, it will lead to point conversion. That's why first ball is very important and crucial para dito sa ating laro.
Now, Doroin is also a great server. Combi. And medyo mababa.
Yes.
Point for Suyan Baao.
13-9 is our score. Wow, very quick and fast play. Again, kanina pa ito ginagawa ng NCF, yung mabibilis na setup para hindi makahabol yung defense on the side of Suyan.
Micalyar had to adjust. Rendo Rosales challenging the blocker but still dug up. Micalyar again but straight to the net.
$59 and Seesaw to serve on the side of NCF.
That sails outside.
15-10, only 5 points to catch para dito sa ating Suyan Baao team. Turin with that dig, Micalyar, power tip, and Micalyar successful in that one. 15-11 is our score. Naibaba sa 4 dito yung kailangang trabahuhin on the side of Suyan Baao. But a crucial service error para dito kay Mendoza. Errors are piling up for both teams.
Another powerful jump serve, a regalo, and a point for the Tigers.
Rosales challenging the libero of Suyan Baao.
Benosa will check in.
Rosales to serve. But outside, so point is awarded para sa Suyan Baao. Substitution on the side of NCF, Salando.
Yes, Rick, a familiar face to us.
Her first appearance for this match.
And first receive.
Yes.
Bounce back. On the open, dug up. Micalyar again, not a good set. Now, Micalyar is really having a hard time to adjust. And I
Yes.
think kahit makapag-adjust na siya, rather, patay talaga yung bola since hindi na magawa ng paraan yung set na yon. And what they need actually is a good reception to have a good set. Micalyar way underneath that ball.
Look at that.
But nagawan pa rin ng paraan.
Pag maganda at sakto talaga yung set kay Micalyar, talagang makakapuntos siya.
A slide attack is good.
19-13 is our score. NCF leading this set and leading the set para dito sa ating laro. But straight to the net serve coming from Pamplona. So a lucky point on the side of Suyan Bao. 20-14. Or rather 19-14 is our score. Back-to-back service aces, or rather service error for both teams.
5 points away here for the Tigers.
And now Suyan Bao to serve. And Ciso back set to Pamplona, and Pamplona successful on that pipe attack. Bernardino to serve para sa NCF.
Good
Benosa.
reception. Doroin challenging the blocker. Salando couldn't get that ball. Now we're hearing from the teammates of Suyan Bao. They say na enjoy lang.
Yes.
And I think kailangan talaga enjoy na yung laban na ito. Salando combination play. Micalier. Now chance for Micalier to kill this ball. Salando again. Dug up. Doroin. Now chance for Salando. Still no good. Now Micalier can end this. No.
Wow.
At the pipe. Straight to the net.
Grabe, yung palitan ng magandang defense for both teams. So napakaganda talagang panaurin pag nagkakaroon ng rally dito sa loob ng court.
Again, great blocking. Pamplona had to adjust. Quick. And that's good. Wow. The connection is there. The pass is there. And that's what's been waiting for Rick. Start pa lang ng set because they're having a hard time to get a point.
21-18 is our score.
Doroin still on the deck to serve. Combination play is deflected. Now Micalier full swing. Salando using her left hand. Micalier. And a lucky point for her. Touching those blockers. And I think Tigers are requesting a replay. And while waiting, we want to, hear some thoughts of you guys on the comment section. We want to see kung sino yung sinusuportahan nyo. And also, we'd like to thank our very own gracious sponsor. Thank you so much for supporting OVL. Well, now we have here some shout out to Gabriel Junicio, former player of NCF Tigers, also to a great player as well, Raque Sibuyo. We also have here Go Laban Baao from Nela Sinfuego.
Wow, what a powerful swing coming from Salando. First point for her.
Estrella. Another great serve. Micalier. Straight to the net for her.
$23.19 is our score. But Estrella sending it straight to the net. Puntos para sa Suyan Baaw. Wow, andito na naman tayo sa habulan ng score. 23-20.
Enrique substitution here.
Wow, Pardinas successful in that hit.
Now match point.
Yes.
And it's on the hands of that girl on the screen, Salando. Good float serve. Naomi Callier.
Wow.
Making it sure that this set will go on an extension.
What an attack coming from Micalier. Never say die para dito sa Suyan Baaw.
Good receive from Salando.
And Pamplona ending this match with that cross-court hit. 25-21 is our final score for this fourth set. Congratulations to Naga College Foundation Tigers for winning this match against the Suyan Baaw. And of course, congratulations also to Suyan Baaw for giving us a good fight. We'll be right back after the short commercial break to know more about our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, EGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baaw Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Kahit anong hamon,
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Camsur Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Camsur Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, depot from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF is the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
The future's in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion. Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League Preset OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGCD Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baao Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation INC, changing the game at 78. That was a remarkable and incredible game between the NCF Tigers and Tuyan Baao. Kamanghamang ang laban ang ipinakita sa atin ng dalawang koponan. Talagang walang gustong magpatalo. Isa lamang ang nagwagi. This time mga kaibigan, kasama natin ngayon ang best player of the game mula sa NCF Tigers. Walang iba kundi si jersey number 19, Mr. Pamplona, na nakakuha ng 14 points, 10 attacks, 2 aces, and 2 blocks. Hi po, Mr. Pamplona. So, congratulations, no? Kumusta po? Kumusta sa pakiramdam na pang 4th win na ito ng NCF Tigers?
Super duper happy po kami at pang-apat na po na panalo and pag-iigihan pa po namin sa mga susunod na laban. Yun lamang po.
Thank you very much. So, ano namang masasabi mo sa napakagandang laban nyo ng Tuyan Baao?
So, sa akin po, so intense po yung laban and marami pa pong natututunan and sana next year, marami pa pong ipa-training and kukunan ng lakas. Yun lang po.
So talagang ang NCF Tigers and Suyan Baaw, nakita natin na binigay nila yung 100% best nila. So anong mensahe mo para sa Suyan Baaw?
Ang mensahe ko lang po, training pa po ng training para next year bakbakan na ulit ito. Yun lamang po.
So last, at this point, ano namang masasabi mo para sa mga sumuporta at talagang nag-abang sa laban ng NCF Tigers?
Thank you po sa mga sumuporta sa amin, NCF community, and sa pamilya ko po, and sa girlfriend ko po. Lalo na po yung Family Room 1 sa mga ka-team ko po, and yung Per 6 po. Yun lamang po.
So once again, congratulations, jersey number 19. And that's it for the best player of the game mula sa NCF Tigers. Back to the panel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that concludes our heart-stopping game between Suyan Baaw against the NCF Tigers. And Rick, you know, we're not surprised about the result, right? Because NCF Tigers showcased a domination in this game. And with their player of the game, Pamplona, with 10 attacks, 2 aces, and 2 blocks. Wow, just pure wow.
Yes, talagang pinakataan tayo dito ng Tiger spirit on the side of NCF Tigers for winning their 4th win dito sa ating liga. So napakaganda na ng standing on the side of NCF, and I'm sure magbabounce back dito itong Suyan Baaw. So let's see sa mga susunod pang match. Again, your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And I'm Aljon Pogoy. Catch up the next game between Arriba Iriga and Ateneo Volleyball Team only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magarao Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Suyan Baaw Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.